Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the VideoPad professional software. Um, this is just basically to just show you guys the basics of it, the stuff that I've learned already. For this, I think you can get a 1 to 2 day trial on this. After that, I believe you have to pay like $2 to $3 a month, which, to be honest with you, is not that bad if you're editing videos. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add basically anything. What you're going to want to do is you're going to go through your videos, whatever one you want to mess with. Open it. It's going to add the files, and it's going to show all this. This is me playing the new Pokemon Snap. You're going to see in the upper left corner here that has a check mark next to it. But here in a few seconds, it's going to go through a processing. Unless it's already processed. Anyway, I think this is already processed. Okay. So what I'm going to basically show you guys here. No, it's processing right now. My bad. Let's give it a few seconds. So what I've learned to use this for is basically for adding text in the middle of videos, deleting sections of videos, and adding and combining clips together. This makes it ridiculously easy, and it's pretty inexpensive considering what we can actually do for it with it. So I use it for editing YouTube videos. You're going to see down here we have the video track and the audio track. Those are kind of, you only want to focus on the video track for this particular setup. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to basically go a little far into my video here, and then I'm going to go up here and hit add text. Now, depending on where you are in the video, see I'm like right here-ish in the video, I can go for anything here, drawing, horizontal, vertical. So I'm just going to go for the typewriter. Now it's going to ask for a title text. It just lets you select the font that you want to use, which is a lot of them. You can bold it, italic it, or underline it, and then you can set the how large the text actually is. So this down here will tell you the animation and clip duration. Basically, what this you want to do is the clip duration is essentially they want you to how long you want it to stay on screen, and basically the same thing with the clip duration. You basically, for example, I always keep these two the same. So we're gonna set this for 5 seconds each. Okay. And then I'm just gonna like put like something here, like I'm just gonna put something like let it happen. And then I'm going to actually just close that off. You're gonna see down here now, you can see there's a little white thing here. That's where it's gonna take place. So if we just move this right here, keep an eye on the upper right screen here. I'm actually going to mute my volume, if I can remember how to do that. Wish I could remember how. I guess I'll just have to deal with it. You're going to see here in a minute, it's going to come across right up here. See, it comes up, let it happen, and then it'll disappear. So basically that works with any kind of anything. Up here, you can actually check, go back into it, and you can edit it by clicking on it. You can see that's going to happen. You go to edit, and you can just edit what you want. If you make a mistake, simply go to where that place is and hit delete. It'll tell you that you're getting rid of it from the editing, and you hit delete, and then it's gone. So that's one step. Step 2 is basically just adding more files to it. So if I hit open again and I click on another one, what it does now is at the end of this clip, you can actually take that and you can drag it to the end of the sequence here. Now what it's going to do as soon as this video is over, it'll actually cut into this video. And basically that's that. It's processing right now, so it's going to take a minute. And then that's basically you combine 2 videos. And the last thing I'm going to basically show you, what was the last thing I was going to show? Oh yeah, cutting. So for this, you want to take this, put it wherever you want in a video, and you're going to take it so you can see the diagonal or the vertical things here, and then you're going to do this. You're going to see that this blue line appears. So I'm going to take it all the way over here. Now, if you right click on the part, keep in mind it has to be a good couple solid seconds or for you to actually be able to type it. Basically, click on that. You hit delete selected region. Now that entire thing is gone, and now it'll cut from one part of the video to the other. Let's see if I can get to show you. See, now it cut again. And that's number 3. Now we're just going to show you how to do it. Basically, for this, you want to go to export video. If you're going to YouTube, you can either set up YouTube videos. I prefer to go to just video file, and then it's going to ask you where you want to save it to, the file name, the format, which I always keep MP4, and basically how you want it to work. So what's going to happen here, I'm just going to put a question mark here. There are some letters and stuff you can put in here that won't work. So actually, for example, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to put this in, and I believe it won't let me do anything with that. Okay, it does. Then you'll see it says indexing video and uploading it. So what it's doing now is basically it's taking that video, compressing it together, and making it into another video and making it into its own video file. So now it's completing. So now it's at video position. It's at 22 seconds. So this is going to take a while. But essentially what's going to happen is now that file right there is going to be sent to wherever you decide to send it. I'm not going to let you sit through this because it's going to take a while considering how long the video is. But obviously the shorter the video is, the longer it takes. It's not hard at all. And like I said up here, you can set up, let's close that off. You can go up here, you can set up, and you can keep putting in more and more title text and keep getting rid of a bunch of stuff. There are certain other things you could do. You can add like music files, stuff, but this is basically what I've done, and this is what I use for my Pokemon Showdown videos. So that's just some basic stuff. It's not hard to do at all. I mean, I figured it out without really trying, and I'm an idiot. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank everyone for watching. This is the Pokemon Fan 1993 signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.